Yo, what's up guys? It's Ryvan, and in today's video I will show you how to make these viral pool building time-lapse videos. You've probably seen them all over social media, on Instagram, YouTube Shorts or TikTok. These videos are blowing up right now, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. And honestly, it's way easier than you probably think. I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get straight into it. We will be creating everything directly inside Higgsfield AI, from generating the images to turning them into time-lapse clips, which we will then combine into one complete video. First up, we need all the prompts for the images and videos. Instead of writing them ourselves, just go to ChatGPT and open the GPTs section. There, search for the restoration time-lapse tool and select it. Here you could already start by simply uploading a picture of a dolphin pool, for example, and the tool will generate all the image and video prompts you need to create a basic time-lapse video. However, I actually created a Google document with a fully customized prompt specifically for these pool transformation time-lapse videos. I use this prompt myself all the time and it's pretty good. All you have to do is enter the sea creature or animal you want to use for your time-lapse. In our case, we are going to do it with a seahorse. Then copy the entire prompt. It's pretty long, so make sure you copy everything. Go back to ChatGPT, open a new restoration time-lapse chat and paste in the prompt. Then go back to the Google document and copy the dolphin image that's included as a reference example. ChatGPT will automatically adjust it to a seahorse since that is what we selected. Now simply press enter and the AI will generate all the image prompts for us. And it's a lot more detailed than when you just upload one singular picture. We get all of the image prompts as well as the video prompts we need later. Here's how the workflow works. First, we generate the images using the image prompts. For example, we create image 1 and image 2. Later, we use the video 1 prompt to create a transformation video that turns image 1 into image 2. Let me show you how to do that. I'm using Higgsfield AI for this because it has everything you need in one place, from image generation to video creation, which makes the whole process way faster and easier. I have linked it below. We are going to start with the image generation. For images, I like to use Nano Banana Pro. Just select image and click on Nano Banana Pro. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt and paste it into Higgsfield. Make sure to select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and you can also generate multiple images, so you have a few options to choose from. Then simply press generate. Alright, once all the images are generated, select the one you like the most. This will be the base image where we start building the pool. Download this picture, then go to the bottom left corner of the image and click reference. This tells the AI to use this image as the base, so the background stays consistent in the next image generations. Now delete the image 1 prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image 2 prompt, paste it in and press generate again. Once the next images are generated, select the one you like. I'm just gonna use this one. And as you can see, there is a worker who has done the whole outlining of the pool. Download it, press reference again and delete the previous reference image. If we compare the first image to the second one, you can see the background stays exactly the same. We still have the palm trees in the background and the luxurious terrace on the right side. That's exactly what we want. Now delete the image 2 prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image 3 prompt, paste it in and generate the third image. Here we have the grass removal step. Again, pick the image you like most. I will use this one. Download it, press reference, delete the previous reference image and then move on to the image 4 prompt. This will generate the excavation stage. Again, select the image you like, download it, press reference, delete the previous reference image and continue with the next prompt. This will be the stage where all the dirt piles are removed. Choose one image, download it, press reference and paste image prompt 6. Now the pool liner will get added to the seahorse shaped hole. Generate the images again, download one, press reference, delete the old reference image and then go back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt where the edge panels are installed. Continue this exact process until you've generated all 11 images. Always use the most recent image as the reference so the AI builds the next construction step on top of the previous one and no step gets skipped. Once you're done, you should have 11 images total with the exact same background. We start with a basic garden with an untouched lawn. Then we have the outline of the seahorse marked on the ground. After that comes the grass removal, then the excavation, then the soil removal, then the pool liner, then the edge panels, then the interior with the mosaic tiles, then the pool being filled with water, then the fish being added, and finally the completed luxurious seahorse pool. These are all the images we need. Now let me explain how we turn them into videos. For example, we take image 1 and image 2. We upload both images to Higgsfield and tell the AI to create a transformation timelapse from image 1 to image 2. So the video starts with the untouched lawn, then quickly shows a worker marking the seahorse outline and ends with image 2. Then we repeat this process. We take image 2 and image 3 and generate a timelapse of the grass removal. That's basically how we generate all the clips. And again, I'm using Higgsfield AI since it makes creating these videos really simple. Let me show you how I do it. Go to video, and I like to use the Minimax module because if we click on change up here, we can search for timelapse and select this built-in timelapse glam module. You could also use something like the Kling 3.0 module inside of Higgsfield here, which is also pretty good. Now we start by selecting the start frame. Choose the very first image with the untouched lawn. Then for the end frame, select the second image with the seahorse outline. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into the prompt field of the video AI. Now we have the untouched lawn as the starting image and the seahorse outline as the final image. Set the quality to 1080p, keep the duration at 6 seconds and press generate. Let's quickly check the result. As you can see, the AI created a worker rapidly placing the outline markers of the seahorse into the ground. This works perfectly for the first clip of our final video. Now remove the start and end frames, select image 2 as the start frame and image 3 where the grass has been removed as the end frame. Delete the previous prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt for the grass removal, paste it into the AI and press generate again. And don't forget to download every video since we will need them for the final edit. Once the second clip is done, you will see the worker removing the grass inside the seahorse outline in a fast-paced time-lapse. Download it, remove the frames again and repeat this process. Use image 3 as the start frame and image 4 as the end frame. Then copy the video 3 prompt from ChatGPT for the excavation stage. Generate the clip, download it and continue the same workflow. Image 4 and image 5 will create the soil removal, image 5 and image 6 the pool liner, image 6 and image 7 will create the edge panels and so on. Basically we are creating small transformation timelapse clips between every image pair. Each video starts with the first image and gradually transforms into the next image. When we combine all of them at the end, it looks like a completed pool construction timelapse. Continue until you have generated all clips. For the very last clip, we will do something a little different. Inside Higgsfield, we have the Cinema Studio 2.0 AI, which lets us generate cinematic clips. Upload the final image of the completed pool, then go to the Google document and copy the cinematic close-up prompt at the bottom. This will create a beautiful cinematic shot of the finished pool, which we will use as the final moment of our video. Download that clip and now we are almost finished. Open CapCut or any other video editor. Import all the videos and drag them onto the timeline. Now arrange them in the correct order. First we have the seahorse outline being marked, then we have the grass removal, then the excavation, then the soil removal, then the pool liner installation, then the edge panels, then the mosaic tiles, then the water being filled in the pool, the fish being added, and finally the cinematic shot of the finished pool. And as you can see, for example, in the second clip, the AI made a small mistake. One of the workers is just standing there doing nothing. Normally you would just regenerate the clip until the AI gets it right, but in this case we can actually leave it in because it's kind of funny and people will probably comment something like, why is one worker chilling while the other one does all the work? It will trigger some engagement and the video will go more viral. Now for the very final step, just trim any unnecessary parts if for example a clip is a little too long. Make sure everything flows smoothly and cleanly. At the very end, during the cinematic shot, you can also add a nice ASMR style water sound effect to make the ending more satisfying. And that's basically it. If you want to recreate this workflow and make your own viral videos, try out Higgsfield. I have linked it below. Now let's check out the final result. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to go deeper, I break all of this down inside my community, especially how to grow your own channel with short form content, which is absolutely exploding right now. I also just dropped a new AI automation module in there. If you're interested, check the second link in the description and I will see you inside.